Hello guys, for today's video I will be showing you how to download and install IPA files on your iOS. So first thing you need to do is basically download APK downloader. Go to App Store and then type in APK downloader and then download the very first application that will pop up. But since I've already downloaded it, um, it's there. Second thing, and this is a very quick one, type in IPA installer, IPA files, I'm sorry. And then once you're in, click the very first link that will show up, iOS Ninja, and then you can scroll down and then pick the application that you want to download. Let's say WhatsApp. And then once you're in, just simply click download latest IPA, the blue button, and then once you're downloaded, it will show up here, and then go back to APK downloader app, and then you can see the three horizontal lines. Click on that, and then under local files, this should show your downloaded IPA file, and then click install. That's easy. That's just it, basically. Thank you for watching.